Hello everybody, welcome back to the AI video. This one, we're in ChatLLM Teams, and today I'm going to show you how to create perfect, consistent characters. That's right, this has been the holy grail of AI image generation, AI animation, and ChatLLM Teams has nailed it. The crew at Abacus AI have just been cooking lately, and here it is. So I'm going to show you how to create them in different styles, different looks, and then we're going to go one better. I'm also going to show you how to animate them. And all of this will be done inside a single app. So we will not be switching apps. We're going to do it all in one app. Let's take a look. All right, here we are. We're logged into ChatLLM Teams. I have put a link in the description below. Give it a click, log in, piece of cake. If you get stuck, leave me a comment. Now take a look at this here. Before we get into the nitty gritty, I just want to show you real quickly here how this works. Now here's some examples. Of course, I had them running in the background at the beginning, but look at this here. On the left side, you'll see some images that I generated. And then on the right side here, it's very similar images, not quite the same. You can see they got different expressions, but look at it. It's the same dog. It is the same character. This was all done in ChatLLM Teams, and it literally was just this: generate 4 more additional poses. That's all it takes to create consistent characters. Better yet, let's go over here. Check this out. We animated it here, but we animated one of the characters in ChatLLM. Watch this. Look how good this is. Now, what happens if you have 20 different poses? You can have 20 different animations, for example, every one of them with a consistent character. I show you that because there are a lot of videos out there saying that you can create consistent characters, but when you log in, you can't do it. Well, ChatLLM is the real deal, and now join me as I walk you through it step by step. All right, here we are. We're logged into ChatLLM Teams. Let's get cooking. The first thing you want to do, head over down here to their Super Assistant or their toolbar and click on Image. When you do that, you get this pop-up here, and you're going to notice something here. When you click on Model, check this out. This is the first incredible thing that I want to show you. You don't have access to 1 or 2 different image generation models or AI models. You get access to all of these. This is absolutely wild. Flux, GPT-Image, which is ChatGPT, Imagen 3, DALL-E, Recraft, SVG, ideogram. I mean, it's all in there. Flux, I mean, what the hell? It's all there, but for this one, we're going to use GPT-Image because that is the ChatGPT image, and this is the one that I like to use. But again, try out all of them. Also, the next cool thing you'll see here is we can select the number of images. Now, when you create images in ChatGPT, you generally create 1 image at a time. I believe it's still stuck at 1. Well, with ChatLLM, you can create 4 images at a time. So I'm not saying it's 4 times better, but yeah, 4 to 1 is good. Now, here's the important part here. Prompt. Now, again, you can type in anything you want. So I'm going to go ahead and create a cute character sheet of a Pixar-Style English Bulldog. I want a nice cartoony English Bulldog, but hey, whatever you want, go with it. And again, also look here and you'll see the word character sheet. That's important because that gives us multiple poses. So we get one character in multiple different poses. This is one way to do it. Again, you can experiment, but character sheet. And then here, rewrite the prompt to improve the image generation results. In this case, I am not going to do that, but if you like to give the AI some latitude to do what it wants to do, go ahead and do that. Here we go. I'm going to select the high quality. I'm going to leave them as 1024 by 1024, which is a square style. I'm going to click on generate. It's going to take a few seconds to generate these images. I'm going to come back when that's done, show you the next step. All right, welcome back. So let's see what we got here. Created a character sheet of a cute Pixar-Style English Bulldog. Okay, here's the first one. I love it. Pixar-Style. Yes, guys, these are fantastic. And notice here that you get not 1, but 4 different images. Now, I love, oh, look at that. Look at the cute little guy looking back at the camera. Oh, Lord, I don't even know which one to choose. Let's choose this one here because it's got a lot of really nice expressive faces. So to choose it, literally just click on it and then presto, it's selected it. Click on the download button. It's downloaded here. Now I'm going to show you the next step. All right, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to head over here and create a new chat. So I'm just going to go up here to the top, click new chat, and presto, we're starting from scratch again. Now, click on image like we did last time, but there's a difference here. Instead of going to GPT-Image, go down to GPT-Image Edit. It's down here near the bottom. This allows us to upload our image, which you can then use to create more poses of the exact same AI character. Now, head into your Finder if you're on a Mac. If you're on a PC, go to your Explorer, drop that image in just like that here. You'll see here it's uploading, and then while it uploads, it says edit prompt. Type this in. Now, this is not the only way to do it. This is just a way that I like that works, but you can try a different one. Generate 4 more additional poses. It is literally that easy. Just those words, click generate, job done. It's going to take a few seconds to create some more poses. I'm going to come back when that's done, and then we're going to edit and animate, and we're going to even go ahead and, yeah, do all that fun stuff. Here we go. All right, welcome back. So let's take a quick look here. Here's what we got. So here's the original image. I'm going to open that up in preview, and if you zoom in, you can see that it's got this nice little white stripe down the middle, and it's got the brindle on the side here. Nice looking here. If we go into the new image, look at this here. White stripe down the middle, brindle-ish on the side. Now the background color is a little bit different, and that's okay though, but let's zoom in even further here. Look at this little medallion around his neck here, his collar. When we look at our dog over on the left side, go way zoomed in here, it even has the same style collar. That's how good this is. This is an exact AI replica. This is a consistent character. Now, let me show you how to take one of these images and animate it. All right, welcome back. So now let's do the animation. It is incredibly easy to do in ChatLLM Teams here. The first thing you want to do, you want to start off a new chat like I've done here, then head over to More, and under More, you're going to see Video Gen. When you click on that, you're going to get a whole bunch of options. You get this pop-up here, but let's take a look at Model. Take a look at this here. There's not one model, but 7 different AI video generation models here, which is fantastic. And these are the best of the best. Haluo AI, Kling AI version 2, Kling AI version 1.6, Luma Labs, Runway ML, WAN, VO2. It's all in here. Select whichever one that you like the best. I prefer Kling AI V2 at the moment, but do keep in mind that they continue to release new models, and ChatLLM always updates it. So here we go. We're going to go into Finder, and then I'm going to go ahead and grab a copy here. So here's the dog that I like here. I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop little pupper in here, and you'll see here it says upload, drag and drop files here. For prompt, I'm just going to go ahead and copy in the previous prompt. Actually, you know what? We're going to go create, you know what? We can just leave this animate English Bulldog. Nice and simple. We don't even need to make this a fancy prompt because we've uploaded an image, and that's what we're going off of. So that's what really matters here. And let's see if I can spell. Animate English Bulldog. Perfect. For modify the prompt, we're going to leave that as is. For CFG scale, consider that as temperature. The higher the temperature, the more that it will give latitude to AI. In this case, we're going to pull that all the way down to 0 because we want to use the image for the video generation primarily. And then finally, aspect ratio 69. That's standard for YouTube and, you know, widescreen type images and videos. So here we go. We're going to click on generate. It's going to take a few seconds. I'm going to come back when this is done, show you what we got, and then we're going to wrap it all up. All right, welcome back. So let's see what we got here. So we did Kling AI version 2. We did a quick animation, and I can already tell you this is fantastic. Let's go ahead and click on the beginning here. I'm going to go to full screen. Let's hit play, see what we got. All right, yeah, look at that. You even got the nice little wobble in the collar, the face, the eyes, everything. This is a fantastic animation, and do keep in mind that I just typed in animate English Bulldog, but if I wanted the Bulldog to maybe smile or be happy or scowl or be angry or whatever, it can go ahead and do that. I just gave it a nice simple prompt just to show you what it's capable of. So there you go, guys. This is consistent characters using AI, using ChatLLM Teams. Not only can you create consistent characters and images, you can also animate them all in ChatLLM. It's a fantastic app. Give it a click, give it a download. Links in the description. Thanks for watching.